Hello, welcome to Masha Creatives, the home of creative. Welcome to this another tutorial of how to build websites. So on this is part 1. You're going to learn how basically to buy your hosting and how to start your WordPress to install and all of that. So right now I'll just go to where I usually buy my hosting, but before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's dive in. So first thing is go to hostkenya.co.ke. You can just do a quick search on Google like host space Kenya. So you can see this is there over here on the right, Host Kenya, web hosting company in Kenya, but the domain is right here, hostkenya.co.ke, and this is their website. So once you are here, for me, for this website, I went for WordPress hosting. So just go on top here and find on the menu WordPress hosting. Click on that, and that should take you to the WordPress menu packages over here. So these are the packages. We have this package, we have this, and we have 3 packages basically. So you're going to choose based on what works for you. So what you do, for me, I'll go for the WP performance, get started, and I'll text me to the backend. So right here you input your domain name. So for me it is asset track. I've already bought the domain, so it won't work. So let me just change to .com, but I use .co.ke because right now if I use this, it will say the domain is already registered, as you can see. So I've already registered it, so that is the reason it's saying that. But let's use like .xyz and let's do a quick search. So then I'll continue. So once you click continue, you go all the way down. There we go. So we are buying the WP performance for $12.99, and we are buying a .xyz domain for 350 bob. It's quite cheap. Then checkout. If you click on checkout, it will take you to your over here where you need to input in your details. So just click on sign in with Google or fill in the details, whichever works for you. For me, I love using sign in with Google because it's quick and it fills all the details at once automatically. So it's there we go. So I'm logged in, and I'll scroll down. Over here you can choose to pay with PayPal, or you can choose to pay with Lipa and M-Pesa or your credit card. So complete the order. So for here you have to give it some time because it has to compile the entire invoice, and it has to check from the back end, confirm that that invoice number has not been allocated someone else, because you might be the two of you buying at the same time. So just give it some time to do the load time. It will then redirect you here. If it reaches here, you can just also give it time. Instead of clicking pay now, give it time until it gives you the invoice. It's usually safer that way. Once you are here, now you can still change here the mode of payment to PayPal. But for us, we are in Kenya, we're going to use M-Pesa. So click on pay now. You are going to get a pop-up on top. There we go. So here you just input in your phone number like that. If you click on pay, you're going to get a pop-up on my phone, and input in the pin. Once I input in the pin, then just give it time until it redirects you to the to the client area section. Okay, so for me, I want to input in my pin because I've already bought the hosting and domain. So this is just to show you how to buy your hosting and domain. So once you do that, it will redirect you to the client area. So if you go back here, for me, I'm just going back, but for you it will take you directly to the client area. So I'll click on client area. In case you just lose your client area, go to the website and click on client area on top here. We have that. And this is the client area. So basically, where it says your active products and services, it should be somewhere here. So for me here it is assettrack.co.ke. You can log into your cPanel directly from here. On the flip side, you should have received an email that has all the details of how to log in to your cPanel. Okay, so let me just show you those. I won't open them because I don't want you to. So they're right here, so you can see new account information. This is the one here. The first two, these are the ones we were placing the order right now, but this is the one that went through the one that I paid personally. So you will also get an invoice payment confirmation and all of that. You'll get all those emails. You'll also get the login details from you on your email. You'll also get a link of how to log in on your email. Okay, you can use those to log in, or you can just log into your client area over here and find over. If you scroll down, there's this part that says products, your active products and services. There's this button that says login to cPanel. So for me, I'm going to use this. It just logs me in automatically to my cPanel. So your cPanel is where now you install your WordPress and where you manage everything. For me, I'm gonna close this. So this is the cPanel. You can create your email accounts. You can do a lot of stuff over here. But for us, the very first thing, we need to install WordPress, because if we go to the front end of our website, this is the link over here. If I click on that, there we go. If you have just bought your domain right immediately, it is always good to give your domain around, usually the standard is 24 hours for it to propagate, but with Host Kenya you don't have to give it 24 hours. Just give it between 20 to 45 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes. It should have propagated. Okay, propagation is for the domain name to be assigned to you online, so that no one else can purchase it. Okay, so you just have to give it some time to propagate. Okay, so for me, I bought this at what time? It was 10 and it is now 1. So I've given it enough time. I had other things to do, so I bought the domain and hosting, did my other thing. Now I'm back. It has propagated properly. That's why when I go to the domain, I can see this. So that means it is well propagated and everything is okay. So it is always good to wait until you are able to access this index page when you search, when you click on your URL or your domain name. Okay, yeah. So again, guys, don't forget to like the video. Just like this video. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we're giving you this knowledge for free. So our domain has propagated and all of that. So I'll click on WordPress Manager. You should get this button here. If you don't get it, scroll down and it should be down here where the softwares. You should be able to see WordPress Manager there. Then for me, I'm just gonna click install. So basically, we're installing our WordPress where we are going to build our website. Ensure over here it's on HTTPS, and also ensure here it's the correct domain that you purchased over here. By default, it should pick that domain unless you have more domains on your hosting. But for now, we have just bought one, and that is what is available. Okay, so let's install. So the brand is called Asset Track. So I'm just gonna get those details over here on my other browser, and I've also uploaded the company profile here. So I'm using AI, which is ChatGPT, to help me come up with the content for the website. So I'll just tell it, let's So for this, the client wanted a one-pager website. So basically, we'll have what we call anchor links, whereby when you click on the link on the header, it just scrolls the page and takes you to that place. Okay, so this is the name. It is Asset Track Limited. So I'll copy the name. I'll go back here under site name. I'm gonna give it right here. You can still do it once you log in, but for me, I love doing it right here. Then so I'll take this on my other screen here, just to make my work easier. And I'll bring in the slogan or description. It is record, track, and manage. They manage assets for companies. So we are going to input here the username and the password. So that will be my username, Asset Track. and ensure you save that username somewhere, just in case. Ensure to save it somewhere so that you don't you can use it when you want to log into your WP admin dashboard. So right here I'm gonna generate a random password, and I'm gonna paste it right there. Then so you just generate your password over here. So for me, I'll hide this a little bit so that I can generate my password, because I wouldn't want to have you guys seeing my password, because just ensure no one sees your password. So that's it. I'll bring it back. So my password is there, my admin email is right there. For now, I'll just uncheck all these default plugins that they usually install when you install. So I'll remove those, and so we have our name, a slogan, the username, the password, the admin email, and let's install. So that is gonna do the magic right there. So I'll close that. So you just give it it is usually very fast. There it is, it is done. So over here we have the website URL, or the website link. If I click on that, let's see what it has done on the front end of our website. So this is what it was showing, and now this is what it is showing right now. You see, so that means our WordPress is properly installed. Let's just refresh here so that you can also see that, yeah, there it is. Voila. Then we have this other link here that is has the /WP admin. So it is usually your URL, then at the end you do a slash like that, then WP-admin. So that's the link. If I press enter, it should give me the login link here. So here we input the username and password that we saved or we used while installing our WordPress. So for me, I'll just use this administrative link. It will take me automatically, it will log me in automatically into my WP admin dashboard. And voila, here we are. So for this, for our tutorials, as always, we use the first thing we are logged in. Sorry about that. The first thing we are logged in is to clear our admin dashboard. So just go to where it says screen options and uncheck everything. So we have a clean dashboard. The next thing is installing your theme. So go to themes and go add theme. The theme is the skeleton, like the skeleton of how your website should look like. For us, we usually use Hello Elementor. It is right here. If you don't see yours, just search here. So install, and ensure to subscribe, like, comment on the comment section. I'm gonna activate this. So it is installing and activating. So now our theme is done. The next thing is our page builder. For us, we usually use Elementor, and it has already told us here, because Hello Elementor theme is the same company that manufactures or creates the Elementor plugin. So I'll just click here, install Elementor. And just give it some time to do the installation, and there we go. So I'll just close it, top right, close it. You don't have to do anything here, just close it. What you need is just the plugin to be installed, and it will take you back to your admin dashboard. So again, it has brought this Elementor overview. Go to screen options and uncheck that, and there we go. So now we also need Elementor Pro. So go to plugins, add plugin. So as I had explained on our earlier videos, that a plugin is just a small software that is used. It is used to introduce new functionalities on your website. So Elementor is we are using Elementor to introduce page builder, the drag and drop page builder, so that we can drag and drop elements on our website. So now what we installed was the standard Elementor. Now we need Elementor Pro. I'll have a link on the comment section where you can download Elementor Pro. So we'll have a link on the comment section. In case it is not there, just comment on this video. Just comment like something like Elementor Pro. I'll reply it with the link so that you'll be able to download Elementor Pro and use it for this project. So as you can see, once you download your Elementor Pro, just upload the zip file. Sometimes you'll have to extract the main zip, then you'll find another zip file inside or two, then now upload those. Yeah, but if you are uploading anything, it has to be a zip file. As you can see, this is Elementor Pro.zip. So just give it some time to install the plugin. Then we're gonna activate it. Then we start. The first thing I think we're gonna do is create the coming soon page, because now we don't want people going to our website and this is what they are getting. It looks so unprofessional. So yeah, as we wait for the plugin to upload, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, ensure to like our videos, leave us a comment what we can do or how we can improve on maybe the video quality or the sound quality or whatever, anything that you think we should do to improve, or if you need a video on a certain type of website, or on how to build it, or on anything you want to learn that maybe you want us to do a video on, just type it on the comment section. We'll basically do a video on it. If you want to learn anything maybe or regarding graphics or websites, feel free to type it on the comment section. I hope it's not a thing with my internet, because okay, there we go, voila. So once it's installed, this is what you get. Then just click on activate plugin, because once you install the plugin, it is not active until you activate it. That's when you can use it. If it's not activated, then you can't use it. Okay, so as you can see also here, we have two dormant plugins. For me, I usually remove them, so just check them like that. Go to bulk options, click delete and apply, and say okay. Usually it is always good advice to always have only the plugins that you are using. Any other plugins that you are not using, deactivate them and just remove them from your database. It is always safe that way. So we have our Elementor and Elementor Pro, and we have also installed our Hello Elementor theme. So the next thing, let's go to Elementor, because Elementor by default nowadays comes with what are they called? Flex boxes, and for me, I don't use flex boxes. I use the default containers. So what I usually do, I go to settings, Elementor settings, go to features over here, then scroll down to where it says containers. So by default it's flex boxes, and for me I use the standard grid containers. I'll make this inactive and I'll deactivate that. And then once it's done that, just scroll down and click save. Over here, so it is now inactive. You see it is inactive. Then scroll down and say save changes, and voila, so that is done. Now the next thing is, we said we want to create our coming soon page. So Elementor gives us that functionality. So just go to templates and go to is it templates? Sorry, go to Elementor, then go to tools. So click on tools over here, then go to where it says maintenance mode, click on that, and choose mode. Over here it should be coming soon, but now we don't have that template, because here it's telling us to choose a template. So there's this button that says create one, so I'll open that on a new tab, or you can just click on it and you should be able to add a new template, coming soon template. So I'm going to call this coming soon, and I'll publish it over here on your right. So once it's published, just click edit with Elementor. So this is why we were adding the Elementor plugin. So edit with Elementor. So we are creating a coming soon page. Then on our next video, now we will start basically building the main website. As this is just to avoid people coming to our website and seeing this blog thing. It just doesn't make sense, right? It will just be okay for us to have a coming soon page before we build our website. So that's basically what I'm doing. So for this you give time also for Elementor to load. That is the builder. and voila, here we go. So just close this and also close this. And but before now we build, you see it's using some default colors and fonts. So basically, once you are here, for me, the next thing before I start designing anything, I usually do something called the site and date, the site settings. We have to do some site settings. So I usually, over here where there's the Elementor logo, click on that, then site settings, click on that. So we need to create global site settings, the fonts we are going to use, the colors we are going to use, and all of that. So I'll go to, this is my client's logo. It's on a Word document, so I have to just find a way of how to download it and also get the colors that they have used. So this is the logo. I'll right click and save as a picture. You give it a name here, so logo, like that. Okay, so we have our logo, and this is the colors is red and black based on the logo, as you can see. So I'll open that logo with I'll open it on Illustrator or Photoshop. For me, I'll just copy it because basically I need the color code. So file new. For you, if you don't have this, you don't have Illustrator or Photoshop, I don't know what can we use to get a free tool to get. Let's just go to Google and see, because we need the color palette. So free color palette generator. Okay, so does this allow? I know colors. I don't know if it allows the ability to upload our own image and generate a color palette from it. Okay. Let's just see if it does that. Cause start the generator. Yeah, extract from image. Let's see. Okay, let's just drag our logo here. So that's what you are gonna do on your end. Okay, you just have to, you can't drag and drop. So I'll go to my clients folder and upload the logo we saved. Here it is. I'll double click, and there is our, I guess this. Okay, so this is the color palette that image picker. Okay, so if you click on this, you see you can get, this is the color here, and I'll add that, and we also need black. Basically those are the colors. So I don't know what to do after here. Basically opening the generator. Okay, so here we go. So this is the color palette we're gonna use. I hope you captured that. You just have to, let's do that again. Click here, upload the logo, then those are the colors. The red is coming from there. There's that grayish, there's this shade of red, and we also need a full black. I don't know why we don't have it. Okay, the good thing, then once you are done, there are these 3 dots on top, then open in generator. So here we are. So these are our codes. Okay, I don't know where they are, but there must be a way you can select, copy the hex code. Here it is, copy the hex code. So let's add these colors on our, here where it says copy the hex code, click on that. Then let's go to our website, site identity, where you click global colors over here. Then the primary color is our red color, so just down here, just paste it here, the hex code. As you can see, it has updated. Let's go back and have this other one. This will be our text color. Go under here, our text color. That's it, and it has updated. Let's go back and let's choose this other shade of red as our secondary color. Over there, I'll paste it. There we go. And what's the accent color? What's the other color that they have given us? This is pure white. There's this other color here. I don't know how we're gonna use this, but yeah, let's just add it on the accent. Oops, did we even copy the correct code? Here, copy, and let's go back and let's paste it here. It has not picked, I don't know why. That one, that's it. Then once you're done with the colors, save changes. Always ensure to save your changes. Then go back, and now we need the fonts, so click on global fonts. For this one, I don't know what we are gonna use, but let's use which font? Aventa. We don't have Aventa here. Let's use DM Sans. It's called DM Sans, but you can use any font based on what you want. So for me, I usually change all of these. So what remains is just the weight. So for the first one, you'll find the weight is the weight here is semi-bold. Then the secondary one is normal. Then if you go to the text, I'll change. Usually the text I put it to light. Then but the font is the same. So DM Sans is what we are going to use. So the accent is also DM Sans. And save changes. So we have our global colors done, and we have our global fonts now done. So let's go back. One other thing I usually love doing, I go to typography over here, and I usually change the color of one thing, the link. So for the link, let's give that just a random color of yeah, maybe one of our primary colors, which is red, and save changes. Yeah, there's a reason I do that, because basically it usually affects some parts of the links on the website while designing. So we are done. That's all you need to do on the global fonts. That's not all, sorry. Go back and go to site identity. So it is global colors, global fonts, typography, then the last one is site identity. Click on that. We already have the name as we did on our cPanel, and the site description. In case you didn't do it there, you can do it now here. So here we upload the site logo, so click on that, and here click select, then go to where your logo is. For me here it is. I'll double click and voila, and I'm gonna select that. Then we also have to upload the fav icon. The fav icon is that small logo that appears on top of each and every web browser. So I don't have the fav icon for this, so I'll just use the same logo, and I'll see what to do as we proceed building the site. Okay, so that's it. Once you have uploaded that, you have to save your changes. Okay, I've already done that, so go back here, and you are done. Global colors, global fonts, typography, site identity. Those are the 4 things you need to do on your site settings. So I'll just close this. It should take us back to our editor. So now we have our colors to use. We have our logo is available, and we have the fonts to use. So here, the very first thing, we don't want all this to be appearing when someone visits our website, because this is the coming soon page. So go here to where it says page settings right there, and the page layout, make it Elementor canvas. So it's going to be a full canvas, empty, without all that you are seeing. So it's going to be completely empty. So give it some time to update that, the Elementor canvas. And there it is. So you can see now it's completely empty. So for me, for my coming soon pages, I usually don't do a lot. I usually have the logo, the coming soon text, and maybe the contact details down there, something of the sort. So basically here, I'll click on this, the plus sign over here, to have a new section. There it is a full section. So I'll go to advanced paddings. I'll give it top 50, and the bottom I'll also give it a 50. So we have paddings, that is spacing. Okay, then I'll go back to layout, and the height, I'll make it minimum height. Then I'll make a height of 650. That will be our height. I'll go to style. I'll give it a background of that shade, the gray shade. No, that is too much. So I'll use our primary color. Then I can select on it. Then I'll go all the way up here and drag it I just want a small shade of red like that. I'll still save this as one of my global colors because I might need it, or basically need it while designing the site. So then I'll go back to add element on top where the plus sign is. Then I'll type here site because I need the site logo. So I'll click drag and drop it because I said it's a drag and drop builder. So you just click the element, drag and drop it on your page. So there is our logo. I'll go to style, then you can just resize this a little bit. Like that. Then I will have what? Just random text. Then I'll just say website coming soon. Then we go to style, align it at the center like that. Then I'll have another heading, so I can have this on the on top here, and make it a little bit bigger. So I'll go to typography, and you can just play with the slider to get something that you like. I'll go to add element again. I'll drag the heading, another heading below it. Then I'll put in that description like that. A smart assessment management is on the way. Then I'll have a description, but before that I want this to be inside a certain width. So I'll bring in an inner section before that here. Then I'll delete one of the columns. Then I'll select the inner section where it says width. I'll make it 800. Then I'll drag my heading inside it like that. Then now the next thing I'm bringing is a text editor. Click, drag and drop it below the heading here, but inside the inner section. Okay, these are two. I'll delete one. So this I'll select it. Then I'll bring in my content like that. So we are building a new digital experience that it's just a small description of what is coming on the way. Then once that is done, I will do another full section below here that is going to be full red in background like that. I just want to input the contact details here, so I'll use an icon list. So just go to the add element, then search for icon. Then this is the icon list. Click, drag it where you wanna put it. I'll close the two, I'll remain with one. Then instead of default, I'll keep it in line. Okay, I'll go inside here. So the first one is the phone number. So the icon is call, not call, it's called phone, sorry. So just select any that works for you. It's not visible because the colors automatically they are red, that they're using the primary color here. So let's change this to white, and you can see our call icon is over there. Go to text also, and let's change this to white, or to white, one that is visible. Then I'll bring in the contact details. So over here, and I'll put in the phone numbers. I'll delete those copied icons. So those are the two phone numbers. Then I'll duplicate this to create another one. Then for this one is for the email, so I'll call this envelope. An email icon is called an envelope like that. Then I'll bring in the email. Then I'll align this at the center like that. We'll introduce a divider for the two. So let's try and align this at the center like that, if it makes sense. Oops. And what is down here? Yeah, should be like that. So this is just a random page that when someone visits the website, they should see this, that the website is coming soon, and blah 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 blah. So that is as you can see, that is the desktop. Let's go to tablet. Tablet is okay. Let's go to mobile. Now the mobile is not okay, so we have to reduce the font of this. So typography, reduce that to something that looks like that. We can maintain yeah. So let's go back to the main section, and let's reduce the height from 650 to maybe 550. Yeah, so that is you can close this and check it on tablet, check it on mobile, and that is okay for me. I don't like how these are aligned below here for the mobile, so let's try and align it left for the mobile. Alignment left, yeah, that makes sense. And publish. But the logo also is too small for the mobile, so just select on it and give it a more width. And yeah, that is okay. So publish that. Always ensure to publish over here. So yeah, so that is done now. But still, if you come here and refresh, you are still on, you see it just picks the logo, but you are still on this funny page, because if you go back here, we have not selected our template over here. So what we do, let's refresh this so that now it picks the templates. So this is where we went last time. Elementor, tools, then go to maintenance mode. Okay, then here enable it to coming soon. Then here select now the page, we called it coming soon. That's the template, and save changes. So again, if you come here and refresh your page, you won't see the coming soon page. Why? Simply because you are logged in, so it is detecting you as an admin. So basically, if is a stranger coming in, they won't be logged in. So let's log out and see what happens. So let's go to the website directly, and here we are. So if anyone visits this website, they will see this website coming soon, smart asset management on the way, and all of that. Okay, I can see the logo is too small here, so we will just adjust that. So /wp-admin for you to access the backend. Okay, and so over here we input our username and password. So our username was asset track, and let me input in the password so that we can just adjust that quick. Then we're gonna end the live this video, so ensure to subscribe. I'll save this. So let's go back to our template. Here it is. Try to increase the size and publish. Okay, so to avoid the back and forth, I'll just copy the link. I'll copy this link, then I'll try to access it with a different browser. Okay, so I have my Brave browser here, which I'm not logged in on this browser, so I should be able to make the changes. Okay, the logo is still too small. I don't know why, because based on our design over here, it is big enough. I don't know, let's make it full width and see what happens. I guess it is the logo resolution has an issue, because you see the quality is not that good. So you see now, if I make it that full and I refresh here, you see it's a bit now visible. So the issue is the logo. The quality is too small, which I will redesign that with Elementor. and re-upload, or I will ask the client to share with me the exact or the relevant size for website. Okay, so this is Masha Creatives. Ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So in this video, you have learned how to buy the domain and hosting. You have learned how to log into your cPanel. You have learned how to install your WordPress. You have learned how to log into your WordPress dashboard. You have learned how to clear your website dashboard. You have learned how to install your theme, which is Hello Elementor. You have learned how to install Elementor and Elementor Pro. You have also learned how to create how to update your site settings, that is the colors, the fonts, the site identity, and the logos and all of that. Now you have also learned how to design a page using Elementor, and that is at the website coming soon page. And now on our next video, we will dive deeper now into building the main website. So stay tuned. This is Masha Creatives, and ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let's meet on the next one. Peace out.